Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be the biggest unboxing what I'm going to do. As you can see, I shifted some stuff around just so I can get the full picture quality in. I will be unboxing you guys will see the PlayStation 5 with a control, and it's supposed to be a game also in. So hopefully you guys will like this video. If you are new to the channel, like and subscribe, and with you guys subscribing, liking and commenting, you guys are helping the channel a lot. And again, thanks for all the support what you guys show. I really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get back into the unboxing. So as you guys can see, that brown box over there, that's the PlayStation 5. Okay guys, so this is the unboxing of right. It does come in a big box, and again, I bought this one from Odoo. Let's see how today. I've opened it before, so just to give that extra look. So this box is really big. It's not as small as some people might think it is. Controller. I got the black full DualSense. I didn't even stick it in barcodes or anything. So I'll unbox this here. Again, always have hand sanitizer or some cleaning. I did do a wipe down on this, but I'll just do another wipe down. This is quite big though. It's not like the usual unboxing I normally do. This is the biggest one, and yeah. This box is quite big. I got the FIFA one. Go. Wow, this is big. And could also send, which is nice of them. It's a keyring. You can keep your keys. I wasn't prepared to do the unboxing of this. A lot of things was going on when I was actually busy with this, so I wasn't actually prepared, and when I finally got one, I was more shocked. You guys a little closer. So to give you guys an indication on how big the box is, and again, this is not a sponsored video, so if you're wondering, it is. There's 2 games, PlayStation 4 games, like in one on top, and another one, and there's still another piece. If it's just so on its own, just like that, so you can see how big the console is really. So again, let me see if I can walk it around. So there's not much information. What do you get in the box? I'll tell you guys. Okay. This is the 825. Like never before. Sealed, as you guys can see on the top. And yeah. See. Oh, this is so heavy. This is very heavy. So yeah. Excuse the shakiness. Goes on like a small box. So again, thanks to Kudu, they had some of this ones. I got the one with the FIFA. Not actually what I wanted. The FIFA. I wanted maybe like maybe the other game. I'm seeing that FIFA has a lot of stuff that you have to pay for, DLCs and those kind of stuff. Just gonna open it. Okay, and let's open that. So I do know that PlayStation always have the cover on the front, but then they will have it like in a white box. Okay. That's so sketchy to do. Okay. This one side. So, as you can see, PlayStation logo. Nothing around. Camera focus. There we go. So I'm gonna open the top part. So again, and they do show on the side on how to open it. I'll just move you guys closer. Those a few steps, and I will follow the steps. It's just that I have to make sure that okay. So here's the game, FIFA 22. It's still sealed and everything. This one side. Warranty sticker. Okay, so we need to know what's in this box. Okay, so basically this box comes out just like that. So in order for me to check what's in this box, I have to do it like this. And again, this box is super big. Okay, so here's the power cable. It's the normal PlayStation 4 cable. I don't know if you guys can trick in this side. On this side, there will be a banner that will pop up of my PlayStation 4 unboxing. So the same. And it's the normal 2-point plug. Some instruction manuals. And warranty. Another warranty. Oh, this is a manual actually. And the PlayStation stand. know you guys are like quite far away, so there is, I don't know if you guys can see like some rubber to it. Like a hooking thing over here, so it hooks onto the PlayStation. And I think if you slide it to this way, yeah, you'll find there is a screw and a place for that rubber grommet, what would go there. This has rubber edging, so I'm just going to slide it back close, so in that position. So that's the one item. Okay, yeah, I'm just putting it back there. And then your powerful HDMI cable. It looked like a regular HDMI. But this is HDMI 2.1. The Xbox or the Series X comes with it, and obviously the PlayStation 5. So that's in this one section over here. Put this there. That's over there. The warranty stickers and all those kind of stuff. There. I will wipe down everything. So you guys are wondering why I'm not wiping the stuff. I will do that. I'm sure you know what this is. It's not some more cells also. This is the control. Wow. There. Now I don't have the other PlayStation 4 to show you the comparison, but wow. I think I like the white one. It's a nice good grip to it. This side is like it's more like shaved off, so it's like sit partly in your hands. Some people say you can see the X's on here and the squares and triangles, and you can, but obviously my camera won't pick it up. I'll try and show you guys. It's not going to. Here's Type C, trackpad, and headphone jack. So this is just a normal headphone jack, so you can plug in any headphones that has the 3 lines to it to speak to your people, or you can just use the remote control. So that is there, and the control is Type C. This has like a grey finish to it. Feels really nice. R2 and L2, very springy. Put it back into its color because wow, this is something different. I will wipe down everything, but I just want to show you guys the unboxing of it. And there's the meat and potatoes over there. That's big. Okay, so the best way to take this out is on its side. Still recording. I'm doing this on my own. Put my headphones down. For extra safety. So, place it down. One hand. this, but okay. Yeah, so I got the console around on the table, so I'm gonna take it out. This big and chunky. Okay, so I'm gonna try and move you guys a little bit further back. Hopefully that's enough light. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna move you guys a little bit away. Okay, so I'm just gonna move the mic a little bit down. Okay, so basically I'm gonna open this. This is the PS5. It looked like someone ended up in a Gatsby or Chipotle or something like that. But this is the PlayStation 5. Yeah, so let's get to PlayStation 5 black controller. So a lot of people actually have the red one and the white one. The white one comes standard with the PlayStation 5. Look up towards yourself, away from yourself, like cut yourself. Almost like that. Savage. Okay. So I have shown you guys around the console. So this is DualSense control, not the DualSense one. It opens up the same like the PlayStation 5 box. Slide it up. So similar concept, travel, and just the empty thing. That's what I've been calling it. Was also the logo, like when you open the PlayStation 5 console. Just have that. Something like this. But I'm sure you guys actually want to see the difference between the white one and the black one. This is the Venom looking control. Fantastic. For Type C. So if you guys want to see on the white one, this wrapping reminds me of like when you buy Gatsby or something like that, then I'll put it in some sort of paper there. But yeah, this is how the two look. So yeah, you can see everything looks the same except for this one is just black, and if I'm right, yeah, this also has the X and that angle, so both of it feel the same weight. this is the Venom looking black and the white. The Stormtrooper and Darth Vader. So that's how the console look. There is nothing extra. It's wireless. Nothing extra in this. Yeah, nothing extra. I'm gonna put this back in. We have to still set it up and do some stuff, and then only get to thing, updates and so on. But yeah, I'm so excited to see what this console is all about, and to play games on here. I'm extremely excited. Very thankful that I could get a PS5 with the extra control, and yeah, put this out of the way. If Kudu or a PlayStation company want to sponsor me or help me with games and so on, I will gladly go for it. But here's the big boy. The big boy out of the range. Yeah, so I mean, take the part. So because the console is so big, I am going to just unwrap it like this. This console is quite big. If you know how a PS4 control CD will look, this is the same size. This is without the stand. And these are small game look for the CD look compared to the console. Here's the PS4 game. That is a smaller looks. If you put maybe two in each other, you kind of have the sense of that's how big it is. Gonna put soccer game over there. Don't really worry about soccer. But don't have my clock. I forgot to take that. Don't scratch it or so. Yeah, I'm just gonna take it out of here. Nothing. Pretty guys. So big. Very heavy. And dammy. Okay, so a lot of people say that you can see on the inside PlayStation logos. I don't think you guys can see it with this camera, but I think you can see it. If you really look on the inside, yeah, you do see it, because I see it from this point. It would have been cool if they do that on the outside, or just a section of it. back part of it. So I'll show you. I'm not sure what they call this locking system, but they always have it on laptops. Now, 2 USBs, LAN connection, so that's for people who like using Cat 6, Cat 5 connection for the best internet. HDMI, that's for the HDMI cable that comes with the console, and then a power. Okay. This is the spot. So I did get the disc part, and it looks so cool. Wow. So, show you guys the spot, front part of it. If you can see, there is like the vent on the sides, and go further down, there's the fast USB charging point, type C, power on button, the eject button. It's difficult to see it, as you can see from that. That looks so nice. But as you guys can see, there's like dust. Just open it. So this is just an unboxing of the PlayStation 5. Put that like that. Controller. Game. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the PlayStation 5 and the controller. I will be playing games from it, and I'm going to do tests, and I'm gonna try and see for the questions that I actually wanted to ask other PlayStation 5 users, but I'm gonna see if it works on here, if you can use different types of headphones, earphones, or do you need to have a dongle to use it? Because I also want to use my Valtronics earphones on PlayStation. Yeah, I'll have to see if I can use it. And again, I have no words to say, but thank you. Yeah, this is so nice. Yeah, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the bell button so you guys can see the next video that will come out. I will be posting out another video, but that will probably be me playing games or so, seeing what's going on. But yeah, like and subscribe, don't let anyone bring me down, always try and stay positive. And yeah, I will show you guys like when the game is all set up and so on. Show you guys that everything is working 100%. And yeah, I will do a wipe down of everything. That is very important too. Yeah, like and subscribe, don't let anyone bring you down, always try and stay positive. And I know you guys are probably wondering, how did I get this console? Got it from the box what I showed you in the brown box. They have on the website, or you can check on the app. But there is limited stock, so if you do get it, get one, and you can't go buy like 3 or 4 on there because they won't allow you to. And if you are that kind of people, don't do that because there is other people that want to buy PlayStation 5. So be a sport and just buy one and keep that one for yourself or for whoever you want to buy it for, but you will only be able to buy one console, one PlayStation 5, because there is a limit to that. But even if you can buy it by another place and you want to buy like 6, 7 or 8, don't do that because there is the next person that want to buy a PlayStation 5. Don't be one of those culprits like doing that. So yeah, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Wow, this is so big. People was imagining, like I was thinking of people imagining that it's so big. That is super big. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, guys.